Today, we show you how to make a dairy-free quiche with salmon and spinach. Get a pie dish and cover with a low-fat shortcrust pastry sheet. Gently tap the pastry around the sides and base of the tin to get a snug fit. Then, use a rolling pin over the edges to cut out the excess pastry. Let this rest in the fridge for the time being. Now, let's quickly take care of our veggies. Start by chopping fresh spinach leaves. You can also use frozen spinach if you wish, and use it in the next step. Then, we chop one onion into small bits. On to cooking. Pour a tablespoon of oil into a skillet, followed by the chopped onions and a crushed garlic clove. Give it all a good stir and let it sizzle. Then, add the salmon fillets and sear them on both sides until they're flaky enough to break down into pieces. Finally, add the prepared spinach and keep cooking until they've softened and shrunk. Now, take a bowl and break in 4 eggs. Add salt, nutmeg, pepper, fresh dill, and lemon zest. Give it all a good stir. This quiche is dairy-free, so we didn't use any cream. To get back our creaminess, we will mix soy milk with potato starch and add this to our eggs. Time to assemble. Evenly distribute the spinach and salmon mix onto the pie dish. Then, pour in the beaten eggs. Make sure the liquid covers the whole pie evenly. And finally, we bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. You made it! You can now enjoy this delicious dairy-free quiche piping hot or cold from the fridge. Enjoy!